What's up, everyone? Happy Friday. Brian here. And today I made $35, a whole whopping 35 bucks. I wasn't even going to trade today because, I woke up at like 9:30 Pacific time, which is 12:30 Eastern time. So the market had been open for quite some time already. I had planned on it anyways because last night I went to the Golden State Warriors versus the Minnesota Wolves game and sat courtside. That was an incredible experience, once in a lifetime opportunity. Uh, just super blessed to even have a chance to get those tickets. I got them from acquaintance for free, and the ticket came with access to this thing called the JP Morgan Suite. And once you're inside that suite, you get free food and free beer, free wine. So, I took advantage of that situation and, stocked up on beer. Had about five, six beers. They had some prime rib in there, so I was eating prime rib, just going to town. Didn't get home until like 11:30 at night. Didn't get to bed till probably midnight. So I knew I wasn't going to wake up early and trade because even if I had woken up, I wasn't going to be in any kind of mental state. That would have been super sluggish. You want to trade when you're feeling good, when you're sharp, when you're feeling confident. Um, that's kind of a lesson I learned. So when I sat that close to the game, you get to see the game from a whole different perspective. Not only are these guys giants, giant human beings with insane athletic abilities. I mean, Kevin Durant moves like a gazelle. His legs are longer than the length of my entire body. It's crazy. But the other thing is that these guys have so much confidence in their abilities and in their teammates' ability, and they play well as a result. When you feel good, you play good. It's you know I don't know if it's proven science, but that's what a lot of athletes will tell you. When you feel good, you play good. So this morning I wasn't feeling good, so I wasn't even going to try to trade. So, um, found a good setup and got in with a low share size. Got in here at 554 on CDXC. It was popping up on these scanners and dumped it at 557. Didn't get the pop I was looking for. This was at 11:17 uh, Pacific time. So let's take a look at that trade. And I only held it for 1 minute. Still watching Menlo Therapeutics. Watching it over 30. Okay. 11:17. 16, 17. 11:17. Got it here on this candle. Let's say 554. And it popped up here 57. This is a red candle. It started going down. I just didn't feel like losing money today, so I sold it prematurely. But as you can see, it did some pullback here and some chop until then it shot up to 575. That would have been a good profit if I had held on to it for just 2 more minutes. Let's see what that would have been. 553, 575. Yeah, it would have been like a $200 winner, just kind of out of nowhere. But I'm still not feeling 100% great today, and I'm still kind of scared money doesn't make money, and I'm still got a little bit of scared money from last week. There's only 3 trading days left in this month. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday is the last day. So I think I'll get aggressive on Monday and Tuesday. Wednesday, I probably will kind of take it easy because typically the last day of the month is a little sketchy. So, Monday, Tuesday are definitely days to go hard. I think people will be jumping in on this market. So let's all take advantage of that action and just be smart. The gappers today, did the same thing they've been doing, popping up 20 cents and then just getting flushed out. So it's probably a blessing that I haven't been waking up to trade some of these gappers. I think LTBR was one of the gappers today. No, LMFA maybe. Yeah, LMFA. It was like today's leading gapper. You can see, I mean, the setup looked phenomenal. You know, shot up, pulled back, consolidated, hit the VWAP, shot up, consolidated, shot up, had this resistance here, shot up to here, came down, and you know, it's like it tried to break over, didn't do it. So definitely these like momentum scanners from Trade Ideas Pro have been super helpful. I'm going to wind up buying the tool. My test drive is over, so I'm going to have to buy it now. And I think it's like 500 something a year. I have a code for 15% off of that price, so I don't know. My total will be probably around $500 for the year, which is worth it. You know, you can make that in one trade easily. So great deal. I'm going to buy that. I had someone in the YouTube comments ask me about how do you know when the stocks are going to IPO, right? Because yesterday I was talking about Menlo Therapeutics. So I use this thing here, marketwatch.com tools IPO calendar. Okay, so if you use this link right here, you'll be able to see next week's IPOs, what they are, what their price range is going to be, and then you can just watch them at the open. Sometimes if they climb up well above their range, typically they're going to stay up there, and so that's a good sign to like jump in on them. They're very risky though. There's no chartable resistance or support, so you could go into a free fall. You could lose a lot of money really quickly. But you know, risk reward setup, you can gain a lot of money really quickly. Just be very careful, mind your stops, and you know, don't get too far underwater thinking it's gonna turn around on you and make it back. That would be my advice. So use marketwatch.com/tool/IPO-calendar. That's probably the best bet to see who's IPOing and when. If you like these videos and you want to continue learning more about stock market, you know, subscribe, definitely. Leave a comment down below, and you know, I'll get back to you. I'll answer you. You know, I'm in this thing for fun, and my goal is to take $2,000 and turn it into $100,000 by the end of the year. And I'm slowly grinding there. So this month was, you know, not great for me. I know a lot of people have made tons of money this month, but I got slammed hard one day, and it just kind of knocked me off my foundation. I'm just sort of slowly getting my confidence back up after that, and trying to get multiple green days consecutively before I get aggressive again. So please subscribe and leave a comment and like my videos, and I will see you guys later. Peace.